In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe to Shopify. If you've been looking to integrate Stripe's payment processing capabilities into your Shopify store, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functioning payment gateway that's both efficient and secure for your customers. Let's begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. You'll want to navigate to the Settings section, which you can easily find at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Once you're in Settings, head over to Payments. This is where you'll manage your payment providers and methods. With your Payments section open, you'll see Choose a Payment Provider. Since our focus is on integrating Stripe, you might notice that Shopify has its own payment gateway called Shopify Payments, which is powered by Stripe. If you haven't already enabled Shopify Payments, you'll see an option to activate it. Just click Activate Shopify Payments and you'll be guided through a series of steps to complete this process, such as entering your business details, banking information, and any other pertinent details Stripe requires to process payments. Now, if you're using a third-party setup and need to integrate Stripe directly, you'll select Add a Provider in the Alternative Payments section. You're going to want to select Stripe from the list of available gateways. Shopify will redirect you to Stripe's website, where you can either create an account or log in if you already have one. Make sure all your business information is accurate so the integration can be smooth and efficient. Once you've completed the Stripe setup or login, you'll be redirected back to Shopify. At this point, it's essential to double-check that Stripe is listed as an active payment method in your Shopify Payments section. This confirmation means your customers will have the option to pay using Stripe, adding a layer of flexibility and convenience to their shopping experience. Before you're completely done, it's wise to conduct a test transaction to make sure everything is running smoothly. Shopify provides a test mode feature. You can find it in the same Payments menu. Toggle this option to test and simulate transactions without actual money being involved. Complete a purchase just as a customer would, and follow through the checkout process to ensure everything works as expected. After testing, remember to turn off the test mode to start accepting real payments. That's it. You've successfully added Stripe to your Shopify store. This integration will grant you and your customers access to a seamless and reliable payment processing option, empowering your business to grow with ease. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online store.